Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change email address in the Tumblr mobile app. Unfortunately, that feature is not currently supported. You will need to use a web browser on your mobile device to update your email address. Here's how you do it. First, open a web browser on your mobile device like Safari, Chrome, Firefox, any of your preferred web browser. Then go to tumblr.com and log into your account. Next, select your profile icon at the top left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the email section. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Enter your current Tumblr account or password for verification. Select Save. You will receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the email address change. By following these steps, you can successfully update your email address associated with your Tumblr account using your mobile device's web browser. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.